I'm Ashok. I'm coming from Ananagar West, and I have been located there for around 8 to 10 years. I studied at Velamal, then I did my BE in Electronics and Communication. Now I work at CTS, and I'm planning to do my higher studies in Dubai. So that is about me and my wife. She is Anusha. Okay, so me and my family, we decided to buy this project because a few years back we were planning to buy a house in a gated community because we wanted to live like as a family. In our streets, when I was a child, we used to gather around friends, play along. It was nice, but it had stopped abruptly when I came to Ananagar. I didn't get that situation anywhere, and that is when the gated community concept was new. We had a look at a lot of projects, Akshaya Homes, Orchard Springs. We had a survey of everything, and we preferred a house which had a lot of positives, obviously. And Orchard Springs was one, who were initiating a project at that time. So we came over here. It was put up nearby. Mainly, it is situated near my own house. We own a house there. So that is one advantage why we had to choose this project. The next thing was it was very close to the bypass, or you can say CMBT, or major schools over here, the railway station, all basic communities were regarding the public. So everything was good, accessibility was good, and to be very frank, this is not a highly populated area as of now. It will be in another 5 to 10 years, I know that, because of Orchard Springs, but as of now it's a very sparsely populated area, so less of pollution, dust, noise and every other stuff. So that was one big reason why we had to choose. So I could feel at home because it was near my home. And as far as the amenities that are provided by Orchard Springs is concerned, they have built it very spaciously. I mean, the blocks are equally spaced. And we had a look at the model house. It was very impressive. They made the things, which was all imported stuff, all from very popular brands. So we were impressed by the model house itself. And then the most important thing was the lake. You don't get to have a house near a lake, because wherever we go, we would like to stay even in a hotel which has lake facing garden facing. And here the natural speciality of this place is going to be the lake. It's a very good lake. We don't get to know about this lake a lot, because we are least bothered about lakes in Chennai. When we go on an outing, that is when we look at lakes and other natural things. So this lake was pretty special, the reason why we chose it. And I personally had recommended to around 6 to 7 families to book a house at Orchard Springs. So they have booked in different blocks. I'm not sure. One in the first block in which they are situated right now. Ours is completed. I think the final process is going on. And about the lake, the recent advantage what came by was the improvement that was taken up by the government. I think they are taking steps to improve the lake, make it as a public place, or I mean, they're trying to renovate it, put around some marble blocks and bring it as a public spot. So that is good. We have access to lake, it seems. I was told by the manager recently. So that is another good thing. So I'm very happy about booking at Orchard Springs and looking forward to coming over here. And I think that is pretty much I would like to tell about this thing. And another important thing I had to say was, even I own a land nearby, so I'm not only a customer to Orchard Springs, but Orchard Springs is a customer to me. So as far as the back-end team is concerned, they are very punctual. That is good of them, and they are responsive. I mean, they were getting in touch with me. They were not dragging things. I was comfortable with them, and I don't face any problems over there. We gave our land so that the people who work over here, they could stay. It's nearby. And I think that is pretty much it. I also wanted to tell about this thing. We are not even here. I mean, we didn't come yet, but it was good of Orchid Springs. They invited us for a function. They had a get together for the Tamil New Year, and they had all kind of crazy stuff that we miss nowadays. Those authentic dances, that we used to have in Tamil Nadu. It is all long gone, but good of them, to organize a function. And we got to dance over there, and also it was a pretty fun one full day, because we nowadays what we do holiday, we spend it at home watching TV, right? So this was very good. So that is the main reason we had to come to a gated community, and before we had come, we started enjoying it. So thanks.